Hello, boys and girls. Mrs. Talk Techie here, and I'm super excited to read Mechanimals to you, written by Chris Tugis. It's all about the engineering design process. Now, you're probably thinking, what? That sounds difficult. Well, you'll see how easy it is to understand that process through this story. So let's get started, all right? I'm super excited. I love this story. Mechanimals, written by Chris Tugis. There once was a farmer who had lots of animals. There you see that farmer with his animals that got swept away by a tornado. So you see the tornado sweeping all his animals away. The twister left behind a mountain of scrap metal and machine parts, and a very sad farmer. You see that mountain of scrap metal? And that farmer, he's really sad because now all his stuff is a mess. He can't use it. Determined not to give up, the farmer declared, "I'll turn this mess into a masterpiece." "When pigs fly," his neighbors replied, which gave him an idea. When pigs fly, that means like, no way, that's never gonna happen, right? Because do pigs fly? So it gave him an idea when they said that. There was much to be done. First, he had to get organized. So you see him gathering his supplies. He has the idea, it's time to gather those supplies. Then he had to draw up his plans. So he started to put it down on paper. And last, it was time to get to work. That's called creating your prototype. And so he starts to create. First, the farmer made a rooster bot so he wouldn't sleep in too late. It was so loud that it woke people up in China. So he made a rooster bot. Next, he made a bunch of chick bots to help with all the heavy lifting. So he had a lot of little chick bots, but they were so strong and they lifted things like that mechanical wagon. The cowbot helped with all the lube and fueling. She also made great chocolate milk. Look at that cowbot. The sheepbot had a coat of steel wool to help the farmer buff all the metal. So he made the metal, the sheepbot made the metal nice and smooth and even shiny. Of course, he needed a horsebot to help him haul in the lunch. Holy horsepower! Look at that. Those Mechanimals sure loved munching on metal. So there they are eating their metal scraps. Finally, he needed a flying bot to zip around the farm. So there's that flying bot, guys. And now, when people say, when pigs fly, they really mean it. The end. I hope you guys enjoyed that story. And what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go and identify the different steps in the engineering design process and see where are those steps in this story. I hope you guys liked it. We'll see you guys next time.